So 2019 has been a great year for indices, record highs for Dow and NASDAQ. Let's start with the Dow. In this case, you got a technical overview that's pretty much bullish, stalling not in the sense that it isn't offering record highs, it has been, but stalling in the sense that it hasn't really been offering traders, those that are momentum based and looking for very short-term intraday, intra-week moves, it hasn't really offered them significant moves beyond its pivot points. And what that means is a lot of traders have actually gone opposite. So let's map sentiment. COT for larger speculative traders, consolidated Dow Jones, and in the case of the retail sentiment, blue dotted line, and we're going to put a red line there so that if it's below the red line, it's majority short. Above means that they're majority long, and you can see that for retail traders, they've pretty much been holding a majority short bias. Every time the price would come down, retail bias would go back up, because what would happen is that shorts would get out, longs would initiate, and back and forth and back and forth. But this recent move upwards, they've kind of gotten a little bit stuck, and their bias is holding at around heavy short 70%. Now, the Dow rose by about 25% last year, but for the NASDAQ, it's been a really, an even better year. They're up about 38%. What that means is the squeeze on retail traders has been harsher. So same technical overview, and when I say stalling, again, it means it hasn't been offering significant intraday and intra-week opportunities. But if we map sentiment this time, you can see that retail sentiment went even extreme short around 80%. Since then, it's backed off a little bit, but it's holding at around a heavy short 75%. So once again, they're also waiting for some sort of retracement back down. Last but not least, the German DAX. Now here's a case where we have a bull trend. We had this bullish move, especially when the ECB, European Central Bank, announced its bond purchasing program. That means they're snapping up bonds, forcing yields lower, and forcing investors into riskier assets like equities. And what that did was it sent the DAX higher towards around 13,100, 200. But since then, it's been stalling a lot more. And what that's done for retail traders is it's offered them a chance to average in their way out, because range trading here, as you can see, goes above and below the red line a whole lot more, is the heaviest amongst all the indices. And what that has meant for retail traders is that the bias, because of the fact that it's been oscillating at the highs, the bias has been able to drop to a much more moderate 60%. Well, that's it from all of us here at IG. Thanks for watching. Thanks.